and welcome to Tuesday and our maths. Whoa, so what we're going to do this week is some measuring, but before we do that, we need to wake up our brains, don't we? So, brain buttons, give them a wiggle. Warm up those ears, wiggle them all the way down, make sure they're ready for listening. Make sure that your listening ears and you haven't left your sleeping ears on. Just have a good check. Do they feel like your listening ears? I think might not. Then we might need to use some of our learning from a few weeks ago. So let's massage our brains, get all of that information, get it from the back, pull it to the front, so we can do some of that rewinding of our learning, which is the very first thing we can do. Count all the way up to 20, all the way back down again to 0. I'm going to start you off. You can do it by yourself, but I'll clap along to help you. So, are you ready? Steady, go. 1, 2, 3. 10. 20. Did you keep up? Very good. Right, you ready to go down? Start off nice and steady, and I might get a bit quicker. I'll start you off. Ready, steady, go. 20, 19, 18, 10, 0. Well done. I did get a bit quicker. I bet you kept up though, because you're fantastic, aren't you? Okay, so we do some measuring now. We're going to think about things that are longer and things that are shorter. So think about me and Miss Cooper. Miss Cooper has long hair. I've got short hair. Miss Cooper's hair is longer than Mrs. Churchward's hair. Mrs. Churchward's hair is shorter than Miss Cooper's hair. We can have long words and short words as well. A long word might be something like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Can you say that? And a short word might be something like cat. So long words, short words, long hair, short hair. You might have long socks and short socks. And sometimes we might measure time by being long and short. So when we have our lunch break at school, that's a long time out of the classroom. But if you have playtime on the playground, like you're going to have when you're in year 1, that's a short break. So a short break and a long break. Okay, I've got some things with me and I want you to tell me if you think which one, if they're shorter or longer, and then which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. So I've got a spoon out of my kitchen and I've got some hand cream. So which one is the longest? Which one is the shortest? Did you say that the spoon was the longest? I think you did. Well done. I'm going to check, and I've got to make it fair, so I'm going to put them right on the edge of my table here. Put the bottom part right on the edge like that, so that they're together. Look, they're still together at the bottom to make it fair. And the spoon is longer than the hand cream, isn't it? The hand cream is the shorter one. Well done. Let's have a look. I've got something else here. I've got a sock, not a smelly sock, it's a clean sock. And a Lightning McQueen car. So if I put them on my table, is that fair? Can I measure them like that? No. I've got to put them both at the bottom. Make sure that they're equal so it's fair. And which one is the longest now? The sock is the longest, which makes the car the shortest. Oh, can you hear that digraph? That shh, 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 like we do in phonics. The shortest. Well done. Oh, if you are listening really carefully, you might hear another digraph in there. Shortest. I wonder if you spotted it. Right, now, I've got some of my bricks. And you all got some of these when school closed for you quite a few weeks ago now. All right, so what I want you to do is to get 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you are going to find 3 things that are shorter than your cubes and 3 things that are longer than your cubes. So I can choose something off my table. Have a little think. Can you remember, what do you think is going to be longer than my cubes that I showed you? Well done, Harrison Rutherford. The spoon, that's going to be longer, isn't it? That's longer. Do you think any of my things will be shorter? Do you think this sock is shorter than my 5 cubes? Is it, Martins? No, it's not, is it? It's longer, isn't it? What about the hand cream? What do you think, Violet? Do you think the hand cream is shorter than the 5 cubes? Shall we measure it? What do you think? Oh, that's a tricky one, isn't it? I'm going to stand them up on their end so that you can see them together. Oh, I think the cubes are just slightly shorter, aren't they? Oh. Now, which other thing did I have? What did I have? Ka-ching! Lena McQueen. Do you think it's going to be longer or shorter than my 5 cubes? I think it's going to be quite tight, isn't it? What do you think? Do you want to measure? Find out. Put your hand on your head if you think it's going to be longer. Put your finger on your nose if you think it's going to be shorter. Measuring them carefully. What do you think? It's shorter, so if you've got your finger on your nose, you're the winner! Yay! I'll just stand them up again so you can see. Shorter. Okay, so your job now is to go and have a look around your house and find 3 things that are longer than your 5 cubes and 3 things that are shorter than your 5 cubes. And don't forget to put your pictures onto Class Dojo so we can give you lots of lovely green dojos. Happy measuring, guys. Have fun. See you later. Bye-bye.